Dear colleagues, the topic of our presentation is comparative analysis of online dictionaries in the context of the digital transformation of education. The problem of digitalization of education is a topical theme for discussions. The solution to these problems will contribute to the creation of conditions for the update of forms, tools, systems, technologies, and methods of teaching disciplines, and the sharing of knowledge. Digital transformation as a global trend of the modern world contributes to the integration of domestic education into the European education area. The change of paper-based data into electronic-based is an example of the digital transformation in education that is still in the process. In our research, we overview the online dictionaries, their tools, systems, technologies, and possibilities for study a foreign language. The online dictionary is a product of a digital transformation from paper-based data. In addition, online dictionaries always give opportunities to share knowledge, some of them based on open educational resources and provide collaborative work. It provides one of the main trends of education, free access to learning. The key condition for the digitalization of education is a demand for education digital technologies and their use by users. We found out the demand for online dictionaries by users and selected 10 ranking online dictionaries. The measuring was by using the Alexa Internet Resource table on the screen. The rank is calculated using a combination of average daily visitors to the site and page views on the site over the past 3 months. The site with the highest combination of visitors and page views is standing on the top. This table shows the trend over 90 days. To detect the features of the use of online dictionaries in the study of language, we made a comparative analysis of their education functions, table on the screen. We didn't analyze positions like the definition of a word, the transcription, audio pronouns, the example of semantic connections, and example of use, as they are standard functions and implemented on all platforms. In general, we described 16 functions of the online platforms that can be useful in learning a foreign language. Let's shortly review these functions. Machine translation system. This function is similar to Google Translate. It can translate words or phrases and have the function of recording a voice with a microphone and the ability to automatically detect a language. Multilingual support. Only 3 online dictionaries don't have a multilingual function. These sites work exclusively for English-speaking audiences, but the sites that have this function implemented it in different ways. For example, in the Collins Dictionary, translated word is accompanied by translation and pronouns in other languages. Video of pronunciation. This function allows users to hear and to see the pronunciation of a word. This feature is helpful because it is the best way to learn the right pronunciation. The video embeds to the site from YouTube. Image of a word. This function allows to create associative lines and remember a word better. It creates equal opportunities for students with different perception of information. Some of the students work with visual information better, others with sounds one, and combining this form can improve the learning effect. Discussion. This function allows users to discuss different topics. Some of the dictionaries have a public forum to discuss the translation, meaning, and use of the words, their correct grammatical paths, and pronunciation. It provides the ability to free edit the content of the dictionary, add new terms, change and improve existing ones. The main idea of collaborative edit is to create collective intelligence. The rank of words. This function involves a word to a specific group. The word can be ranked by the place, value, complexity, importance, authority, level, degree. Hints. It provides for the possibility to use the search method based on hints. When the user types in a word, the hint showing him different variants of a word. Learning tools. Some resources position themselves not only as online dictionaries but also as resources for learning English. Such dictionaries have grammar exercises, quizzes, education resources, videos, blogs, courses for studying English, etc. Thesaurus is a service of reference work for finding synonymous and sometimes synonymous of words. Paid services are used as an opportunity to market and sell extra content, such as paper books, training courses, content that might be richer lexicographic data, and language testing materials, etc. Content sharing. This is a key function to use and share knowledge on the Internet. Today, almost every active student uses social networks. Therefore, a tool for content sharing is a great opportunity to show and share knowledge. A hyperlink is an ability for a user quickly to jump to an unknown word without spending time searching for it. Registration. Almost all dictionaries have a registration function, except for Word Reference Dictionary, which allows registering only on the form. Most sites offer more features after registration. The function of adding and creating word lists allows users to return to the studied words, repeat them, and train. The mobile version is the best way to attract more users to use the online platform. In addition, it provides an opportunity to improve a platform with a focus on user feedback and their needs. More users, especially young people, use mobile phones to get quick access to resources anywhere and anytime. On the basis of the functions of the online platforms for learning foreign languages, we created a diagram that certainly shows the functionality of the platforms. We see that the most functional was found out the platform The Free Dictionary. It has not only a wide range of educational functions but also the highest rating among users. The lowest rating was found out in the Dictionary of Glasby. It has only 3 educational functions: multilingual support, co-edition, and registration. According to the estimate of the site's popularity, the rating of this platform is low also. One of the steps towards the digital transformation of education is to provide students with digital educational content and to provision digital interaction and cooperation between students and teachers. Platforms of online dictionaries are a means of organizing digital activities and students' interaction. They provide both independent activities of students in the educational environment and collaborative activities by tools of online dictionaries. Nowadays, online dictionaries can not only help to improve the vocabulary but also increase the level of grammar, practice pronunciation, develop writing skills, and more. Prescribed function of dictionaries can be both an additional and the main resources of linguistic information offered during the study of foreign languages. Thank you for your time.